back to another vlog. It's Mother's Day. My mom didn't really want to celebrate Mother's Day. She said, oh, you know, I don't want to go out. Let's just not do anything. I was like, no. We have to do something for Mother's Day. So I just told her, you know what, don't worry about it. Let me put it together. This is basically all the things that are from our room. The cart, I mean, everything is basically from our room. Tulips that we received from BoxyCharm and Bloom Effects the other day. Some pillows, blankets. The only thing I really picked up were some items from Five Below. This LED curtain lights, iridescent table runner, and a bed canopy. Always see so much inspiration on Instagram. Wanted to see if I could do it myself, like a DIY. Let me take you guys outside so you can see how everything is set up so far. I kind of just have like the base. You know what, I forgot to mention, it's going to be like a tea time with my mom, so I really wanted to make things extra girly and just really pretty and kind of, you know, turn it into like this serene little place in the backyard. This is what we have going on in the backyard. Just our patio table, which has the mini tabletop fire pit, but I took that out. Plastic chairs, and then we also have this all-weather bench, but it's normally like all the way over there on the side of the backyard, so I just brought it over here. The two candles that we've had from Five Below, and then back here, this is completely like DIY. So it's a cooler, and then I put some bricks, and then this one is like a base, I think, for an umbrella. And this is the part of the umbrella stand, but we're gonna do something with that to make it look a little bit more aesthetically pleasing. And then I just kind of threw a throw blanket over it to give it more of like a cozy feel. This is our starting point. We're gonna grab all our things, put everything together, and fingers crossed, whatever I have envisioned in my mind, it goes well.
There's something about you, there's something about the way that you move, dancing all alone in the pool. Took my heart a little too soon. There's something about you.
So it is many hours later. We had to wait until the sun set because it was just beaming today and my mom didn't want to be in the sun, and of course everything probably would have melted. I wanted to share with you the final setup for Mother's Day tea with my mom.
I'm not where I'm supposed to be, and I say that shit openly. I feel it, it's strange. I traveled down the coast for free. I'm going back there hopefully, where it's warm.
So here's everything all laid out. The only things I really purchased are pastries. These are like little franks with puff pastry from Trader Joe's. Bed canopy from Five Below with the lights. This paper table runner that kind of keeps curling, but that's basically it. I think everything turned out so well, and I think it just looks so lovely, perfect for Mother's Day.
Julia, oh, you're so thoughtful naman. Oh, look what she did. Oh, ganda. Including this, ice cream.
Be the one to tell us what we're supposed to do.
I don't know if you guys want to break it, or you can just lift up the heart and then pick up the card. But
Just break it.
I mean, if you want to break it, I don't want to break it.
I'm a little bit harder, but
Para ako nagigilty to break it. It's so beautiful.
Mom! No, Mom, a little bit more.
Ayaw eh.
Mom, like the big mallet in the kitchen.
Hindi, cute na ito eh.
No, but that's the point. You're supposed to break it.
Ayan.
You have to hit it there hard.
There.
A lot.
Ayan na. See? This is made of chocolate, huh? Saan ang
Opa.
napkin mo, anak?
That's perfect. Okay. Let's see.
Yan. Oh.
Amazing melody. Happy Mother's Day. Thank you, Julia.
So
You're
sweet.
welcome.
Thank you. This really was a very sweet and very thoughtful gift. No, it
Ano daw?
Julia's really sweet gift was just like the bonus. Special thank you to Julia for the heart chocolate with the cake pops. Super thoughtful. Thank you so much. And Julia is Darren's girlfriend. Earlier it was just too hot and now it's a little bit cold. Well, it's windy. So we have the Trader Joe's macarons or macarons. We have some tea or hot water in here. We have the tea bags in this little cupcake. My mom likes the Lipton. I like the Trader Joe's. You want me to pour you some hot water? I'm so hungry because she wanted to eat. But I told her, no, you can't eat yet. Just a few more minutes. So now we can finally have our tea time. These are from Trader Joe's. They're little Frank puff pastries. They're really good. Let us know if you have tried these. Then we have some ketchup and some mustard. So let me move this over. So we hope you guys had a nice Mother's Day. Comment below what you ended up doing for Mother's Day. I know my mom didn't want to do anything, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
So many things to do at home.
Mm-hmm.
Could eat one more.
Yeah, go ahead, Mom. We're gonna enjoy our tea time and we'll try the cake pops afterwards. Alright, now for the cake pops from Julia.
Julia, thank you for the heart-shaped cake, heart-shaped chocolate and
Well,
cake pop. It's really something new, huh? I've never had something like this before. Thank you, Julia.
thank you.
Mm.
They're good.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, they're good.
Mm-hmm. Masarap.
Mm-hmm. It goes well with the tea.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm putting everything away, but I wanted to share with you how it looks once it starts getting darker, which I think it looks so pretty. I love it with like the candles by the bench and the little canopy with all of the string lights. I just love the way how it looks, but unfortunately it is a little bit chilly now. Too bad if it was like summer time when it's a lot warmer, then we could have just stayed out here, but I think it looks so pretty with all the lights. So anyway, I'm gonna put all this away, bring it back upstairs, wash the dishes. We got a lot to do. So I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. I put back everything that I brought outside. So I mean, I think you can see it, like my bar cart is here. Just wanted to thank you so much for hanging out with us today. Hope you enjoyed the vlog. Hope you had a great weekend. If you enjoyed this vlog and hanging out, please make sure you give it a like, subscribe if you have not already. Would love for you to be part of the Chicky crew. Thank you, chickies, so much for watching. Stay safe and healthy. We will see you in the next vlog.